Hello everyone, I am Sofikul Mullik. Welcome to Coding Adda. Today we will talk about constant. We'll use Go Playground and the Go development site to write our program and execute our program. Okay. In previous section we saw that we used var to declare the variables. Instead of that, we will use const keyword to declare one constant. So we have declared here constant I and initialized I with the value 10. The type will be automatically identified by Go. Here the type is integer. Similarly, we have initialized j with 2. So we have two constant I and j. Now here we are storing the value of I into j and we are printing. Let's run this program. The output is 20, that is 10 into 2. So the scope of this constant is inside the function main. Constant means we cannot overwrite the value of this variable. If I want to do I equals to 30 and if I execute this, then let's see what happens. It's saying that cannot assign to I. I is constant integer. But one thing we can do, we can declare here const I equals to 30. Now let's execute this. Now we are getting output 20, that means 10 into 2. So we have 2I, so I is declared here, that is in package level, and this I is in function level. If I don't write this line, then we'll get the value of I is 30. 30 into 2, 60. If I uncomment this line, this I will shadow this I and we will get the value 10 into 2, 20. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are printing the value of I. %v means value of this variable. We can also use %t to print the type of the variable. Now we are getting the value of A is 20 and type is int. That is automatically identified by Go. So if I change this as var I, then we can write I equals to any other value, maybe 28. Then the compiler will not complain, it's giving 28 into 2, 56. So constant cannot be initialized, but it can be shadow based on the scope of that variable. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.